Welcome back everyone to another video. Actually I was doing this like it has been a long time ago, but for some reason I've stopped, and then I'm gonna try to do it like this series of Solidworks mentorship. And to be honest with you, it has been a long time. As I already told you, I did not do anything about Solidworks, so for this time, like the first one, gonna be some problems, so just accept it. That's what it is. Okay, so I'm gonna draw this. Okay, you're not seeing this. I'm gonna share this with you for those who want it. First, I'm gonna go with this front plane, take this on here. Okay, I mean, actually, if you don't know how to use Solidworks, you don't have to worry about anything. So, and then next, I wanna take this and just go like this, and then up these sides, up this side, a little bit down, and then go like this, and then go up, and then come here. No, sorry, supposed to stop here. Just I'm going to close this by clicking. Wanna delete this. Take the same things, keep going down, has to come here, go the other side, and then come here and do this. Yes, yeah, it's finished. Yeah, okay, doesn't look good. Okay, insert, nice. So right now, just go with smart dimension. Down here we have 40. From here to here, we have 40. And actually, you don't have to know how to use. I mean, to learn it at school, so you can know how to use this. And then we have 20 here, 20. Okay, that's nice. And then this size is okay. First, this one here is like 30. Okay, everything is like a millimeter, you know, millimeters. We have 13 here, 30. Okay, here we go. Nice. This one and this one has to be equal. So okay, now my mouse has a problem. This was going on right now. Okay, nice. I'm gonna to remove this smart dimension. I'm gonna click Control, select this, and select this, and choose equal here. Oh, so it's wrong because of this here. Okay, it's not a problem. Control Z, take it back. And now, right now, we have to do the math. We have 40 here, we have 30 here. I think 5. Okay, should be 5. Automatically this one gonna be 5. Okay, nice. You don't have to write it. Okay. Oh, sorry. Control Z. Nice. Oh, what just happened? See, I have a problem. My mouth was disappearing like this. Okay. 5, and then this one here has to be the same. By the way, before we move to that, let's do this. Should be 10. This one here has to be 10 too. Okay, there is something wrong right now. Take it back. Okay, take it back. Okay, what's the mistake in here? Okay, before I do this, I'm gonna delete. I'm gonna do this one first. 30. I did 3. Let me check how much they give this to me. No, okay, they told me this one here is 12. You know, like right now I'm just doing like I know nothing actually. I'm like a beginner, like from 0. You know, this is what I'm doing right now. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. You've seen me. I've made mistakes, which I guess this one right now, as if we have 30 here, 12 here. Do the math for me, because I'm very bad at mathematics. Okay, I'm very bad at mathematics. So gonna 30 minus 12, which is gonna give us like 18 divided by 2, like 9. So each side has to have 9. So this one needs to have 9, I'm gonna just put 9. Okay, this one which is automatically 9 also. This one I think is 5, but looks like small. Let me check it. Oh, okay, that's 5. Okay, nice. Right now the only problem we have this side here, which has to be 14, and this one now. Okay, let me do something very funny. I'm gonna deselect this. I'm gonna right now choose press Ctrl C and select these 2 ports. Okay, what's happened? Okay, and then when I make equal, okay, they're equal right now. Okay, so dimension, choose 14. They give us 10. I'm gonna try 10. Okay, that's nice. It's working right now. We made it. We have made it. So let's take this one here a little bit up, because there is a circle here somewhere here. So I'm gonna try to find, okay, this one here. I'm gonna come here. It may not be exact. No, I'm trying to find this one here, which is the middle. Okay, I'm gonna take this one here, middle, and this one here. Okay, actually you don't have to find this. I just try to find it myself. Okay, they told us this is starts smallest dimension. This is let me see, 10. Okay, we have 10. Let's go. I mean, this actually for, I mean, not even the beginners. Like, I don't know what to say about it. Like, I don't even find the exact words. Okay, this one here should be a 10, which is exact 10, because okay, that's nice. Okay, this what we have, and then we go to features. Okay, we're going to features. We need this. Okay, as we can see, and now we have this one is gonna be like 25. So gonna come here and write 25 millimeters, and here we have what we want. Let's see how it looks like. Okay, this looks like this. Very good. And now we finished it. See, if you want, you could have like draw the whole things and then make this circle here, like extrude it, you know. Right now we're gonna make something this side. Okay, okay, they choose this face. I think what's happen here, so they choose this face, choose like this, and then a circle. Go to sketch, choose circle. Let's go here on the top, choose, and then go smart dimension. They told us it's gonna be like they don't say anything here. Let me see. I'm seeing 6, but 6 is the distance. 6. They told me 6, but 6 it's this one here. I'm sorry. They go back. Smart dimension. 6 is between this one and this one. Sorry. So what is this? Oh, let me see again. Ah, okay. Told me this. From this, it's 6, which is means the whole thing is gonna be 12. So where is? Okay, I will choose it. I make 12. Hello. Circle. 12. Okay, got it. Okay, and then I think right now we go to scale features, extrude. Then you have to take the whole things. Okay, you have to going nice. Actually nice, very good. I'm gonna share this in your website. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. If you want to download it, feel free to download it. It's for you. As I said, it is kind of like beginner level, very beginner level, like very, and also it's free. As you can see, the mistake that I've made, I mean, it's not something to worry about. Okay, peace out and take care. Oh, yeah, by the way,